Chelsea here. Hope you're doing good. Wanted to speak to you about ads and Messenger, because if you utilize the two together, you can have a powerhouse lead generation machine, right? We want leads coming in, right? And I see from time to time, some people think like, oh, I'm just going to run ads instead of doing Messenger outreach. Well, really, if you utilize the systems in place of Messenger in your ads can actually convert even better. So I'm going to share with you one of the simple strategies of how this works. There's definitely more that goes into the background of it with your Messenger and systems and utilizing ads, but this will be one of the things that can help you out, see how you can have a badass machine generating leads when you utilize Messenger with your ads. Now, if you have never ran ads before, I'm going to be real with you. I've helped plenty of different business owners with ads, setting up the sales funnels, lead magnets, and more on the tech side. If you haven't run ads before, it takes a lot of testing in the beginning to find out what converts, what offer converts, what message, what copy, what images, and then you're constantly having to also change those from time to time, as well as finding out the target audience that's best for running ads. So opposed to spending a lot of money with your testing phase, it's best to go ahead, test it out organically first to make sure your message works, okay? You know the target audience and these people are wanting it, as well as the price point, the offer, all of that is tested and proven before running ads. It's going to give you more of a clearer direction when you run ads. As well as when you're utilizing organic in the beginning, you can install your Facebook pixel on your landing pages, any free value trainings that you send to people. And then when people are going to that page, when you've sent that page through like a Messenger conversation of just sending them free value, helping them out, that page has your Facebook pixel on it. So you can be warming up your Facebook pixel audience, doing it organically before you launch your ads. Then when you launch your ads, Facebook's going to have a better understanding of your audience by having that pixel warmed up prior. So the pixel allows you to then target that audience or create a lookalike audience of those people that have landed to your page that has the pixel on there. So that helps with the conversions even better when it comes to running ads. So those are some of the reasons why I recommend starting with organic. Once you've hit a certain income of the higher income months, 10K and more, then that can be a good time to then look into running ads. And you want to make sure you have the other systems in place prior to running ads, okay? But I'm going to share with you one simple tip of how you can be utilizing Messenger when you're running ads. So let's dive in. All right, so when you're inside your ad campaign, you want to make sure you're under the ads. You'll select the ads that you're running. You'll click preview here. Then in the Facebook Ads Manager, you'll want to click on this little icon. So it'll show you an ad preview here, but you'll actually want to click on this icon and it'll then take you to the link to the ad. So then it'll have the link right here. You can copy it. Then you can open that link in another browser and it'll take you to the actual ad. Then on the ad, you'll want to check out who has left comments, who has engaged. And then from there, those are people that you can start networking with. So whether that be sending out a friend request from your personal page or sending them a message as well. And then definitely responding to that comment. But then you have them into Messenger. So if they didn't actually click on yet the ad itself, or they might have checked it out, but they haven't made a purchase or opted in yet, you now have that lead that was at least interested into Messenger. Now you can have a conversation with them, warm them up, see what you can do to help them or what it is that their goals are to then be able to serve and help them. So that's how, if you utilize when you're running ads with Messenger, it can be a powerhouse system to actually get more conversions with your ads. And that's just one piece of the puzzle. There's also plenty more that goes behind the scenes of putting your systems in place to get leads coming in and with the lead generation side. So hope that helps if you're running ads or planning on running ads or thinking about it. But definitely make sure you have your offer, everything tested and proven organically is what I recommend. You have that income secure coming in, and then once you've hit to about 10K or more is a good time to then start the ad process. So hope that helps. If you guys have questions, leave them below and take care. But that, my friends, is going to help you get the most out of running ads out of your ad budget and have more conversions when you utilize Messenger with ads. So don't forget about that, and don't just utilize ads without a Messenger system to follow up with these leads and get more out of it.